On page 3 of Class Kick, you have an example letter and an address that you will use for writing your postcard. On the left side is where you will write your letter to whoever you choose to write it to. You can choose to a family member or a friend. It doesn't matter. Choose somebody you know and use their name in the greeting. I wrote mine to my mom. I said, "Hi, Mom. I'm having a great time on Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It's very pretty here. Mars is red because it has iron oxide on its surface, but it can get very cold here. The air on Mars is mostly carbon dioxide, so you have to wear an oxygen tank like an astronaut. Please jump on the next rocket and come visit. I miss you. Remember to bring warm clothes and an oxygen tank. Love, Sally." In your writing, you need to choose a planet from the 8 planets that we learned about, and you need to have at least 2 facts about that planet. An easy way to find facts is just to do a Google search about your planet. Say I chose to write about the planet Saturn. I can put facts about Saturn for kids. When you add for kids on a Google search, it's going to bring up things that are easier to read and easier to understand. Now, on the left side is where your address goes. If you don't know the address of the person that you are sending your letter to, you can ask your mom, or you can make it up if you really don't have any idea. But you need to make sure you put their name, their house address, the city and the state that they live in, their zip code. Then, because we're writing from space, you need to put the country that they live in, which for most of us will be the USA. And then you need to put planet Earth because it's got to find its way to Earth. And you need to put Milky Way galaxy so that they know that these people live in the Milky Way galaxy because it's coming from outer space. When you scroll down, you will see where you will actually write your letter. You're going to use your tools in Class Kick. Grab a text box to write your letter here. Give me a text box. There's my text box. Write my letter. And you can choose whatever color background you want here. Maybe you want a blue background. Maybe you want to match the background that's there. Whatever you choose to do, that's fine. Remember, you must have at least 2 facts about your planet. And then that as you type, this text box is going to cover what's behind it. So if I were to write to my sister, and I would say, I am on the, Saturn. And I would have to find my interesting facts about Saturn. And as I type down, you see how it will cover the text box or cover the text that's behind it. And you can make your text a little bit bigger. You can change the color of your text if you would like to. You can get as creative as you want. Maybe I don't like that and I'm going to do pink. Okay. Then you're going to come over to this side and you're going to put in your address by grabbing a text box again. And you're going to put in your address if you can type. She lives in Elkhorn, comma, Nebraska, 68022. And remember, we need to add the country. We need to add what planet she's on. And we need to add the galaxy. Okay. So once you have that done, you'll head to the next page for the rest of your postcard.